Alright folks, well, all said and all done. So what we did was we went ahead and replaced the alternator, and over here we replaced the, you can see it's a little bit shinier now, the voltage regulator. Now a couple of plugs in, everything like that. Show you how that goes in right there. Check the voltage, 12.5. Fire it up, we're getting about 13.8. so she's doing her job. Now we're able to knock all that stuff out. Now if you look at the back of the, it's pretty easy, you know, plug in there, a little ground right there. A little bit better, but this guy wasn't doing his job. We look over here, this is the voltage regulator that we changed out. Now if you look right here, there's just a whole, like a 4-slot of plugs that just kind of plug into here. So easy day, right? And then you bolt it in, and hopefully it was either this one or that one that wasn't doing its job. Either way, they're both changed out. We're looking good. To do the to tighten up your belt, you have 2 bolts, one right here, and this is the tensioner bolt right here, and then it just lines up. You undo this one, and you can see it can slide all along here, and as it slides back, it creates more tension. Now the tension requirements in the tech manual, or the owner's manual, it's just to be able to push down on it and have some tension. So I mean, you go by ear and you tighten it up. Don't tighten it too much because it'll snap on you. And try not to stand on this side of the car or this side of the car, because remember, this thing is spinning around and it's either going to go that way and an arc this way, so you don't want to be standing in there if it snaps. This little guy right here, like I said, it's pretty dark, shiny, hard to see, but it's all plug and play. You know, it's hey, whatever you unplug, plug back in, and wherever it was plugged in, plug her back in and bolt it back down. There's your voltage regulator, there's your alternator, and there's your battery. Everything, luckily today, everything worked out pretty well. But another thing that you want to check is you want to make sure that all your battery connections are nice and clean, right? That they're even your ground wires. It's all good metal to metal right there, and we checked all the voltages there, and everything looks good. So this was episode 17. No, I'm just kidding. Episode 1. We're gonna go over oil change again. Oil change. If you've never done an oil change on one of these old boys, there's no oil fill cap. There's your dipstick, goes all the way to the bottom of the sump, taking your measurement. Oil fill cap is going to be this oil breather cap. Pop it off, fill it with oil. Yep, that's what we got, and it sounds pretty wonderful when you fire it up. So I'll go ahead and post another video when I run into problems that I don't know how to figure out, and we'll learn together. All right, later.